How to create Telegram without phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can create Telegram without phone numbers, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to create a Telegram account without a phone number, first of all, if I open Telegram, you can see it'll ask me to start messaging. So right off the bat, when I tap the start messaging option, the very first thing it asks me to do is to simply enter my phone number. Now one thing you have to understand is that even the Telegram does not really depend upon numbers and can be searched using username. Telegram requires you to have a phone number. They do this just in order to actually avoid lots of bots that are crawling through the internet. Now if you don't have a real phone number, also do not worry, because what you can do is you can make use of virtual phone numbers, and those virtual phone numbers are, many of them are available for free online. You can check them out. I'm not going to describe all of them into the detail on this video due to high chances of YouTube flagging it down. So if you think that is a fit for you, you can check that out if you'd like as well. Other than that, without a phone number you can't create, but doesn't mean you need a real phone number. You can make use with a virtual phone number. So this way you should be able to create Telegram without phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.